Welcome back to the Oliver Way today, guys. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you tuning in. So we got home from work, did our little workout, and now we are at the chicken coop. Melina has gotten some signs. I think her dad actually got these signs. Send more chickens and breakfast laid daily. So we're going to throw these on the chicken coop. I've got to make sure I have the proper length nails for them. My idea was to put the breakfast laid daily one on where we grab the eggs from. So we'll stick one here. And then send more chickens one we'll probably put over towards the main entrance here. Maybe we can, it almost fits up here, but not quite. Might be okay to do that. Let's go ahead and put it up top. That's probably where she would want to see it the most. My other idea was to put it down below. Well, let's see where these nails are going to come through at. If they're going to come through, they're a little long from what I would like to use. Yeah, I think we're going to go up top just because the nails are a little bit longer. And we can kind of prop them down in, get them to stay there. I'm afraid to hit the roof, but I want to angle the nails up and try to hang the sign a little bit better. But I'm afraid to hit the roof here because we're getting kind of tight. So that should do that one. And we'll get one for breakfast. So you've got Cluck Norris and Pistol, our roosters, behind you doing their thing today. Pistol's been giving us some trouble with the being a little bit aggressive. So we've contemplating having to do something with him. Not yet. We'll make that decision when the time comes. These nails been a little bit long. I'm trying to angle them in. I don't really want them poking through the back side. Yep, they're starting to come through. I think what I'll do is go ahead and send them in to where I want them, and we'll just trim the back side off. We can probably take some pliers to it. Cut them flush. Should be nice and easy there. We'll just clip these nails off and get them in the garbage. And that's a project done. So let me go find some pliers that'll cut that. We'll be good to go. Okay, so I grabbed two. One is a new set of pliers, just kind of a junky pair. But the other good pair that I have, I used for the whole fencing project years ago. And the teeth, or not the teeth, but the cutting edge is kind of marred up. So we'll see if it will tolerate another cut today. But I also don't want this nail head flying somewhere. Nice and easy cut. And one more. So these pliers did a lot of good for me the whole time we were doing the fencing project. And I'm glad to still have them, because they still come in handy often. Okay, there we go. All right. Two signs hung on the chicken coop. We are in business there. So I'm going to head to the garage here in a minute, see what we're going to get into the rest of the day. But it is an absolutely beautiful day here in West Virginia today. It is warm, but when the week started, we thought we were going to be getting rain each and every day. And today is Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, was really nice. Zena's barking at me like she never hears me talking. Hey, that's enough. Just me. She's up laying by the air conditioner, the heat pump, so that it's spinning. I don't think she knew I was here. And then I finally woke her up as I was talking in her direction. She's suspicious of me at the moment. But a beautiful day. We will take it. We were supposed to get rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but now it's supposed to start tomorrow and carry on for a couple days. So we got a couple extra bonus days, which is really cool. And so I'm trying to take advantage of it today. We're going to get into something here. I don't really have a full blown out plan yet, but it's going to be something productive, whether it's in the garage or I'm thinking about coming down on this hillside even. So stick around. We'll see what we find. There's always something to get into. Okay, so we have a plan. We're going to jump on the Coyote, run back in the woods, and bring some of that firewood back that we were splitting the other day with the axe. I'm just going to take the axe back with me, grab a pallet that I used to stack firewood, and we'll just bring a pallet back because it's pretty much ready to go. I'm going to also take the moisture meter, get a read on, and you guys probably can't see my face here with the sun. It's very bright. It's a beautiful day. But we'll take the moisture meter back to just kind of see where this oak is actually at, and we will we'll decide if it's firewood for this year or for next year. All right, so we're making our way through here pretty good. A lot of this closer to the trunk really seems pretty punky already, which is not ideal, but we're not selling this firewood. We can burn it. Once it's dry, it'll be good to go. But I just want to finish this piece up here. This piece seems to be splitting a lot better than the others. More dry, more solid. So then we'll throw the moisture meter on a few of these. I just kind of want to see where we're at. And get a sense for where to store this firewood. Is it this year's firewood, next year's firewood? I expect it to be pretty high. But you don't know until you know. I'm almost certain it's not going to be ready for this year. That's okay. We'll take it when we can. The bark's falling off, which is a good sign. Kind of splitting this bigger since I'm pretty confident we're not going to burn it this year. We can let it dry a little bit longer. Okay. All right, so we got through most of our splitting here. It went fairly well. But I wanted to test a few of these pieces that we split, get a feel for where we're at. A lot of this stuff feels punky still, so I know it's pretty high. Some of this stuff here, for instance, we're getting in the 40s, so certainly not ready. And you can tell by the sound, it sounds like a dud. And I think it's wet because it's punky, and I think it's probably not worth burning, but we don't sell this firewood, so it's probably okay for us. We'll see what it's like after it dries a little bit. But here's a more solid piece. We're getting 28.5. I know you guys can't see that, but that's 28.5. It sounds solid, you know. It's the moisture is kind of where I'd expect it to be, in the 20s right now. We'd like to get it under 20 before we burn it, so we're not quite there yet. But Colton's been out here helping me. He's been a tremendous help to load it up after I split it, huh? Your knuckles, dude. He's been working hard, which is fun. I like him being out here with me. So him and I are going to load up what we've split onto the pallet, and then we're going to hit the road. So I'll catch you here probably 5 minutes. 5 minutes for me and Colton, but a snap of the fingers for you. It is hot in West Virginia. I know I said it earlier, but when you're swinging an axe, I think it magnifies it. We did a pretty good job here, though. We got most of a pallet split up, which is fantastic. Colton was an enormous amount of help. I think we make a pretty good team, huh? Yeah, thanks for helping me. But I think that's going to do it for today, guys. We're going to load up into the tractor, head back up the trails, and see what Melina's up to. She was riding Maple, so we'll see if she's done with that, and we'll probably head in and start closing things up for the night. So I appreciate you guys joining in. We're having fun each and every day the Oliver way. Hit subscribe, hit like, share with your friends, guys. If you made it this far, you know, I think we should be buddies. So appreciate you being here, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.